So what's up, guys? The Z build continues. I love the Z so far. The one I'm in the process of doing the timing belt right now. One of the things that I didn't like about the Z was my favorite part, and that's the interior. The interior is very ratchet. I mean, it's really bad. Not sure why my video is so dark. You can see there's like stains on everything. It's all like really stained and terrible. So what I'm gonna do is I bought some stuff and I'm gonna rewrap all the stuff that's like this canvas burlap looking stuff. And we're gonna pretty much do custom interior for the first time in the Z. And hopefully you guys like it. Maybe, maybe not. I also have to clean this up. They like Hot Boy sparkled everything, and I hate it. I can't stand it. So this is all the interior out of the Z. But I went to Wally World and I essentially picked up, so this is the receipt right here. So it's $27.85 or $05, whatever that said, for the material. That was 3 yards. Some pins, Gorilla Tape, and Loctite. So it's like 28 bucks, and I'm gonna redo all the burlap panels and stuff, hopefully, with that. So that'll give you like a little price thing of how much it would be to do this. Without further ado, we'll get into it. But I'm Mountain Camber. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, feel free to check out the other videos, look at the comments, join the community, talk to some people, comment below, and you know, like the video. Go ahead and like it. Let's try to get some likes out of this. And if you want to subscribe, feel free to subscribe. It should be down below, somewhere around there. They always change in YouTube, so I don't know where it's at. This is a newer channel. It's not my first channel, it's just a newer one, so the sub count's kind of low. I would like to get it up pretty soon. So, but let's jump into doing some of this. So hopefully the quality on this video is pretty decent. Start off with an easier panel. But first you're just gonna kind of peel all this jazz off, I guess. Now you have just an empty, terrible, ugly ass panel, which can easily be fixed, and we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna show you how. For the first part of this, just grab your material. This will be a lot easier, but you find yourself kind of like a section, and just remember that it's gonna go up and around, that you need enough. Like, see, if I did this, it wouldn't be enough to physically wrap over. So give yourself enough to play with. Start with a pretty simple scissor cut here. Maybe. Now we've got some material laid out. It should be enough to, you know, go up on and everything else. Doesn't matter. I guess when you cut from now on, technically it should be upside down. That should have been upside down. But because you're going to glue it on like that. But now we can kind of get to the gluing part, which will be, in my opinion, the fun part. So essentially on your Loctite can, it says like for certain bonds, this is going to be a permanent bond. So you'll spray the back of this material and the piece of plastic or whatever you're covering. You'll spray both of them with a, you know, just like a decent coat, and then you'll wait 10 minutes so it'll get tacky. Then when it gets tacky, that's when you can wrap it and form it and stuff. So I'm gonna get it tacky. It's dark outside, so y'all wouldn't be able to see anything anyways. And then I'll come back in and mess with this video again. So it's been a couple of minutes now, and it's pretty tacky. So the next thing, I guess, is to just kind of just lay it over it as best possible. Lay it this way. Start from the inside. kind of just work your way out. Okay, so right here is starting to get really tight on me. So this is what I guess professionals would call a stress cut. Or they call it no cut because my scissors suck. There's always a sweet spot. Always. And you'll essentially just cut like a line. So it's just called a stress cut. Probably have to cut a little bit more. I don't want to do too much because I still got to wrap it over. There's a neat one here too. Start, you know, you can flip it over and kind of do the rest of it. And what I'll do here is, now that I'm starting to like wrap it, I didn't wait 10 minutes by the way before I did this. I went, you know, just a couple of minutes to let it get tacky because I don't want it to dry on me before I get everything folded where it goes. But I'll just start cutting the excess pieces off. Bought Gorilla Glue in place of my pen so that, you know, I could hold it down on the back. But, you know, there's going to be other interior pieces that go up against this, so. So I'm going to run around with some Gorilla Glue or Gorilla Tape and just kind of like hold everything where it's supposed to go. And then we'll come back to it and do like a comparison to the other panel. So this is just like a little easy comparison. You have this, which is dirty and nasty, so you either have that or the floral. So hopefully it'll all look a lot better. This is like burlap stuff. I don't like it at all. So maybe once we get this in the car, it'll all start looking good. Came out decent. It's on. So instead of just showing you every single panel, I'm probably just going to do pictures of before and afters and then do an install video separately. That's most likely what I'm going to do. So I'll do a couple of before and afters. This will be a video. Like I said before, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz. Let me know what you guys think about the floral and the idea of rewrapping it. You may not like the floral, it's not for everyone. It's like a Victorian floral design. I've always liked that stuff. So let me know what you guys think, and until the next one, have a good day.